You have been finding it difficult to make payments on your 1688 Chinese shopping app using your Alipay. Consider to stay tuned to this video and see a possible solution to that problem in payment on 1688 using your Alipay. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tower or pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if you have been finding it difficult to make payment with your Alipay on 1688 Chinese shopping app, here is a possible solution. I have a two method whereby you can use to solve this particular problem of Alipay unable to make payment on your 1688. First thing for, let us watch this video. Alright, so if you find yourself in this category of unable to connect with Alipay in payment checkout on 1688, there are two solutions to this particular problem. So one of the first solution is that you have to make sure you go to your 1688 profile and make sure you navigate to setting icon. Then from setting icon, make sure you click on Alipay section. So by getting to that section, if there is an Alipay account logo in that section, it simply means that the Alipay account has been fully linked into that 1688 Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. This is the first solution right here. Immediately you see this, it simply means that your Alipay account has been fully linked into that particular account and you will be able to make payment with your Alipay account on 1688. But if your account was not shown this, it simply means that the account is not yet linked with Alipay. So what you need to do is to make sure you click on the link there and follow the prompt. Enter your Alipay payment password, then Alipay account is going to be connected into that account. It's that simple. So this is the first solution. The second solution is that if the first method is not working, then you have to opt into a second solution. And the second solution is that you need to make sure you delete the Alipay account and delete the 1688 account that has been associated and linked with that Alipay account that caused issue. So you have to delete the Alipay account, delete and uninstall the 1688, and what you need to do after deleting the Alipay account, and if you have fund in that Alipay account, you need to make sure you transfer the fund from that Alipay account to another Alipay account just to keep the fund right there. Once you kept the fund right there, you can now delete your Alipay account, because you cannot delete an Alipay account that have fund. So that is one thing you need to take into consideration. Now, when you transfer the fund, delete the Alipay account, and one thing you need to know is that there is difference between when you delete an account and when you uninstall. So in this category here, you have to delete the account. So when you delete the account, it simply means that every information that Alipay has about that account and you, including the 1688, everything will be deleted. Once you delete everything, create a new account with the same information and the same international passport. After that, go to 1688.com on the web browser. You can use your Chrome browser for that and download a new version of 1688 Chinese shopping app right from Chrome browser. Once you download the app, log in with your Alipay account, and with that, you have automatically linked your 1688 with Alipay, and you'll be able to make payments with any Chinese supplier as far as this particular Alipay and 1688 payment issue is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you still have questions for me as far as 1688 and Alipay related issue is concerned, you can simply put your question in the comment section down below. Or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp for any further question as far as 1688 China importation is concerned. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to fund your Alipay account, your WeChat wallet, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Tower or pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.